Hi, today I'm for the MOTOROLA Moto E6S and I'll show you how the fingerprint scanner does on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner here on the back side of our phone, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see does the switcher work and how fast is it. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fingerprint unlock method works here fast and correct. I just unlocked the device with a simple touch just in 1 second. This is really good result for the fingerprint scanner. Just look at that. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget then the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.